Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to reserve a book or request delivery of a book. If you want a book that is currently checked out, you can reserve it. If you want a book that is in an inconvenient library branch, you can have it delivered to a more convenient branch. You must register for email alerts before you can reserve a book or request delivery. Reservations and requests for delivery are made directly from Tulip's search results. Click on the Reserve button on the Details, Local Collection page. Select the library at which you want to receive the book. Click to go to the confirmation window. Click on Fix the request to confirm. Your request is now complete. If you no longer need the book, please cancel by clicking Reserved Materials on your My Library page.